How to remove a watch list on 4T Trader. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are trying to remove a watch list on 4T Trader, then you are in the right place. Whether you created a watch list by accident or simply want to clean things up, removing a watch list is quick and easy. First of all, launch open 4T Trader application on your smartphone and make sure you are inside the trade page. From here, tap on the Edit Watchlist button at the very bottom of the screen, and from the Edit Watchlist page, if you want to create a watchlist, click on the Create Watchlist button at the bottom, enter the name for your watchlist, and tap Create. Now, if you ever want to delete a watchlist, simply go ahead and tap on the pencil button right next to the watchlist you want to delete, and tap the trash can icon at the top right to delete the specific watchlist. Now click Yes Delete to delete the chosen watchlist from your app. So that's it. That is how you can easily delete a watchlist on 4T Trader. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.